In this video, I will show you how to connect Crypto.com to your MetaMask wallet. So to do this, first go to open up Crypto.com and go to Accounts in the bottom. Now from there, select a cryptocurrency that you own and that you want to transfer over to MetaMask. I'll also show you how to do it the other way around, but first here on Crypto.com, just select the one you want to transfer. I'll select Solana for this example. Then after opening up that cryptocurrency, click on Withdraw. And then select External Wallet. Now here click plus in the top right and select Wallet Address. Now open up MetaMask and click on Add Funds right here. Then here simply going to search for the same cryptocurrency, so for me Solana. And on MetaMask click on Explore and here just going to search for the same cryptocurrency. So for me that's Solana, and then simply going to open that up and click on Receive. Now, by the way, when you are searching, make sure it's on the correct network. So the one I just had was on the Base network, which you can see by the blue Base logo over it. But if I just type in Sol, then here it is the correct one. So click Receive and you will then see use this to receive assets on Solana. So simply copy the address, go back to Crypto.com and paste in that address right here and make sure the network at the top is also set to the same network. Then if it's your MetaMask account, select I am the owner of this wallet address. For the wallet type, set it to a non-custodial wallet and click done. And for the name, just name it something like MetaMask plus the cryptocurrency. Then continue and select if you trust this address and enter your passcode. You will then have it in your list right here at the bottom, so go and select it, click confirm and withdraw. Now choose how much you want to withdraw and then click withdraw. Now click confirm, enter your passcode and enter any verification codes that are needed. And from there you will see withdrawal request submitted, meaning the money is now on its way to our MetaMask wallet. Now on MetaMask it will show up right here after some time. You can see if I scroll down a bit here under tokens, you can see it's already received and I'll have a little over $10 in Solana in my account right here. So now you know how you can transfer money from Crypto.com to Solana. The other way around works the same, but instead on MetaMask you now click send, select the token, choose how much of it you want to send, then click continue, and then here just paste in your Crypto.com wallet address. So just get your deposit address on Crypto.com for the cryptocurrency and paste that in here on MetaMask. Then click confirm. And then it will be on its way back to your Crypto.com wallet. And then it will be on its way back to your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to connect your Crypto.com account to MetaMask. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.